Here's something that surprises almost everyone the first time they notice it. You can ask an AI the exact same question two different ways and get two completely different answers. One is vague and useless. The other is exactly what you needed. The only thing that changed was the prompt. That skill of writing prompts that get great results is called prompt engineering, and it's quickly becoming one of the most valuable skills you can put on a resume. It can also mean better essays, cleaner code, and smarter study help. Let me show you. Look at the two prompts on screen. On the left, we typed "Explain Python programming." 3 words. The AI has no idea who it's talking to or what you actually want, so it dumps a long, generic wall of text that tries to cover everything and helps with nothing. Now look at the right, same topic, but this time we wrote, "You are a friendly coding instructor. Explain Python programming to a complete beginner in 3 bullet points, using simple language without technical jargon." Suddenly the AI knows its role, its audience, the format, and the limit. The answer comes back short, clear, and beginner-friendly. Same model, same topic. The prompt did all the work. So what exactly is prompt engineering? It's the art and science of crafting clear instructions for an AI, so it gives you the output you actually want. AI models are powerful, but they're literal. They respond to exactly what you ask, nothing more. The good news is that strong prompts follow a pattern. Think of 5 building blocks. A role tells the AI who to be. Context gives it the background it needs. The task says what to do. The format describes how the answer should look. And constraints set the boundaries, like a word count or a tone. Stack those pieces together, and vague guesses turn into reliable, useful results. Here's the path ahead. We'll start by setting roles and personas, telling the AI exactly who to be for the job. Then you'll learn few-shot prompting, where you show the model a couple of examples so it copies the pattern you want. Next comes chain of thought reasoning, which gets the AI to think step by step and make far fewer mistakes. After that, we'll cover output formatting, so you can ask for clean lists, tables, or JSON on demand. And we'll finish with real-world prompt patterns you can reuse for school, work, and everyday tasks. Each lesson builds on the last. And here's the best part. This entire course is 100% free. No paywall, no trial, no credit card. Every lesson comes with an interactive prompt playground built right into the page, so you can write a prompt, run it, and see what happens without leaving the lesson. You learn by doing, not just watching. And when you finish, you'll earn a free certificate you can add to your resume or your LinkedIn profile to show off your new skill. Free to learn, free to prove it. So let's start building your skills right now. Scroll down to the playground on this lesson page and try writing your first engineered prompt, or paste one straight into an AI like ChatGPT or Claude and watch the difference for yourself. The best way to learn this is to get your hands dirty, so don't just watch. Try it, tweak it, and see what works. Ready? Let's dive into your first real prompt.